Are you feeling sad? Do you feel small, like no one sees you? This story is for you. It is about pain. It is about hope. And it is about one silent girl who found her voice. Her name is Asha. Asha was a small girl. She was very quiet. She did not talk much. At home, she stayed in her room. She looked out the window. She said nothing. Her house was not happy. Her father was angry. He shouted every night. He broke things. He hit her mother. Asha saw it all. But she stayed silent. She was afraid. At school, Asha said nothing. She had no friends. She sat alone. But inside, her heart cried. One night, the shouting was loud. Her father hit her mother. Then he hit Asha's brother. Asha ran to her brother. She held him tight. She cried loudly. She could not stay silent anymore. She screamed. "Stop!" she said. It was one word, but it changed everything. The next day, Asha did something brave. She went to her teacher. She said, "My father hurts us." Her teacher looked shocked. Then she held Asha's hand. "You are brave," she said. The school called the police. They came to the house. Her father shouted again. But this time others saw. The police took him away. The house was quiet. No shouting. No fear. Asha and her mother sat together. They cried, but the tears were soft. The tears were of peace. Her mother started working. Asha helped at home. They had little money, but they had love. Asha went to school every day. She smiled. She laughed. She had friends now. She was not silent anymore. One day, Asha saw a sad girl at school. She was sitting alone. She looked like Asha before. Asha sat beside her. "It's okay," she said. "I know your pain." The girl looked up and smiled. From that day, Asha made a promise. "I will help others like me." She studied hard. She became a social worker. She helped girls who were hurt. She said to them, "You are not weak. You are strong. You are not alone." And they believed her, because she understood. Dear friend, maybe you are quiet. Maybe you feel pain. But inside you, there is power. There is light. You are brave. You are not alone. Speak up. Stand tall. Keep going. Like Asha, you can rise. You can heal. You can help others too. Never give up. Your story is not over. It is just beginning. If this story touched your heart, please like the video, share it with someone who needs hope, and subscribe for more simple, powerful stories. You matter. Your voice matters. And we are here for you.